Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Langde, group member of this project. Topic of our mini project is data encryption and decryption using RSA algorithm, and it is completed by me, Mihir Kadam and Sujoy Banerjee under the guidance of Dr. Siddharth Hariharan. So we have created a system where data or plain text is encrypted with an encryption algorithm and a key. The process results in ciphertext which only can be viewed in its original form if it is decrypted with the correct key. We have completed this project by using simple implementation of RSA algorithm. RSA algorithm is a asymmetric cryptography algorithm. Asymmetric actually means that it works on two different keys, that is public key and private key. As the name describes itself, public key is given to everyone and the private key is kept private. The idea of RSA is based on the fact that it is difficult to factorize a large number. The public key consists of two numbers where one number is multiplication of two large prime numbers, and private key is also derived from the same two prime numbers. So if somebody can factorize the large number, the private key is compromised. Now the main purpose of data encryption is to protect digital data confidentiality, as it is stored on computer systems and transmitted using the internet or any other medium. For what I feel, encryption is, or it should be, the basic building block of data security and is the simplest and most important way to ensure a computer system's information, which can't be stolen and read by someone who wants to misuse it. Now let me show you the code we have created. Okay, now as you can see, we have created the complete project in Python itself and we have inserted a few modules. Among them, tkinter is one of them. Now the function of tkinter is to create a sustainable GUI library. We have also inserted a few mathematics algorithms for better recursion function and loop creation, that is Euclid's algorithm, extended Euclidean algorithm, multiplicative inverse, and many more. Now let me just run it. First of all, we need to create both of the keys, that is public key and private key, and for that we need two prime numbers. Now I'll take 17 and 23. Okay, now you can see both of the keys have been created and you need to note down both of the keys. You just have to make sure that the space between both of the numbers, that is 999 and 391, you need to replace it with commas. I'll encrypt the message, and for encryption of message you need to insert the public key, not the private key, that is 999 391. Now plain text message, I'll take hi, just quite simple. Now the encrypted message is 1993232. You need to note it down too. For decryption of message, you don't need the public key. Actually, you need the private key, that is 247391. The ciphertext, I'll decrypt it. Okay, now you can see the decrypted message is same as the message I wanted to encrypt. Now this shows us that the code has successfully encrypted and decrypted the message as well. Okay, that's it.